In the vast cosmic fabric, where time itself bowed before the eternal, there existed a moment when the universe trembled beneath the wrath of Lord Shiva. The Tandava, a dance of unimaginable power, was about to unfold, an expression of grief, fury, and cosmic balance. The tale begins with Sati, Shiva's beloved consort, and an embodiment of divine energy. She was the daughter of King Daksha, a ruler whose arrogance knew no bounds. Despite knowing that Shiva was the supreme ascetic and the destroyer of evil, Daksha despised him, considering him unworthy of his daughter. When Sati defied her father and married Shiva, Daksha's hatred only deepened. One day, Daksha organized a grand yajna, sacrificial ritual, inviting all celestial beings, but he deliberately excluded Shiva. Sati, upon hearing of the event, felt a deep yearning to attend. Shiva, in his wisdom, warned her not to go where she was unwelcome, but Sati insisted, believing that as a daughter, she had the right to visit her father's home. However, when she arrived at the yajna, she was met with scorn and humiliation. Daksha, blinded by his ego, insulted Shiva in front of the entire assembly. Unable to bear the dishonor of her husband, Sati, in an act of immense sorrow and rage, invoked her inner fire and immolated herself, leaving behind only ashes. The news reached Mount Kailash, where Shiva sat in deep meditation. As soon as he opened his third eye, the cosmos quaked. The serene lord of destruction, known for his detachment, let out a roar that sent shivers through the heavens. He had lost his beloved Sati, and his fury knew no bounds. From the ashes of grief emerged the most fearsome form of Shiva, the Rudra Tandava. With matted locks flowing wildly and his eyes burning like molten lava, Shiva lifted his mighty trident and began his celestial dance. Each step shook the very foundation of existence. Each movement sent waves of destruction across the realms. The skies turned crimson, the oceans roared, and the mountains trembled as the cosmic energy of Shiva's dance reached its peak. As Shiva spun in his Tandava, celestial beings and sages trembled in fear. They knew that if this rage was not pacified, creation itself would be reduced to nothingness. They pleaded with Lord Vishnu, the preserver, to intervene. Understanding the gravity of the moment, Vishnu devised a plan. Using his divine power, he sent his Sudarshan chakra to cut through Sati's burnt remains, scattering them across different parts of the land. These places, later known as the Shakti Pithas, became sacred sites infused with Sati's energy. As Shiva carried Sati's lifeless form, his dance continued, and the universe teetered on the brink of destruction. It was only after the intervention of Vishnu and the prayers of the gods that Shiva slowly began to calm. The cycle of creation, preservation, and destruction had been upheld, but not without leaving a mark on time itself. The Tandava was not just a dance of destruction, it was a dance that represented the eternal rhythm of the cosmos. Through it, Shiva expressed his grief, his fury, and his role as the ultimate force that balances creation and dissolution. It was a reminder that everything in existence is temporary, and even the greatest beings must face loss and transformation. From that day forward, the Tandava became the symbol of the universe's cyclical nature, where destruction paves the way for new creation, where grief gives birth to wisdom, and where even gods must dance to the rhythm of fate. And thus, the legend of Shiva's Tandava lived on, echoing through time, reminding all that nothing in existence is permanent, except the cosmic dance itself.